I've used Cloud and the Codex to managing and operating my Shopify store for a couple of months right now since I think it's April or May. So like really heavily use it. So this is a list of the automation the tools that I created using Cloud Code and Codex. So it's been really helpful since I uh, changing from just using chatbots to AI agents. Yeah, so that's this video is talk about automation and tools. So I noticed um, that most of the automation that I create for my Shopify store is still like reporting and also reminders. So we're still heavily using label to for communications or like massively producing contents. So still human focus. And the AI automations and the tools is still just for assisting our team members to improve the efficiency and the productivities. Yeah. So as you see, I separated my whole or the team's entire workflow into three sections, like before the purchase is happening, and then the purchase, and that lastly is after purchase. So after purchase, mainly we're doing things like auto order tracking. So we usually manually put the Shopify sales PO numbers into a Google Sheets so we can look at more in more organized ways. So we just like prefer to look everything in Google Sheets. So this is fully automated. And also like whatever reviews or video reviews you will creating the contents for this type of reviews and account make it contents for different channels like Facebook and Instagram. So this is also a pipeline. So whatever reviews that we get from the review platform that we use, and then we connect to the API, and then if one reviews comes in, and then automatically generates a contents ready for we publish to the Facebook or Instagram. And another thing is, since we are retailers, so we do have to follow strictly with suppliers MAP pricing. So, and in this task, we used to spend a lot of time just manually checking supplies price and compare with our store's price. So we have to make sure that the price is equally the same. Right now, so the comparison is fully automated uh, by the automation tools that are created by Cloud Code, and it just run 7 days, 24 hours. So whenever it detects our price is lower than MAP, then it was automatically send a message to our team members, and then we fix it manually by ourselves, our team members. Yeah, this is just a couple of things. And another thing, um, tools, yeah, we recreate a sauna or like a Monday. So everyone is using a tool called what we call Team Hub internally. So basically, what's good about it is we can actually customize the features, and we can um, just do whatever we want. So what how we prefer to work to using, and also we can use it as an login sheet, and we keep adding the features based on our employees' feedbacks. So it's all automated. So right now, I run a prompt every week, every Saturday or Sundays, just one prompt. I said, color code go to the feedback sheets that our team members have on the sheets, and then whenever my team members provide suggestions, so the cloud code will customize features or adding features or removing features and just get the best for our team members to use. So that's a system kind of consistently improving the team hub that we're using, which is much better than the previous we're using Asana. It's not just save money, but also we can customize and tweak the features that we whatever we want. And another tool is truck visualizers because we're selling truck parts. So the good thing about this is we can add in those images that um, for the products that supplier don't even have good images, like to visualize how the parts looks on a specific truck because we have so many truck models. Usually, like we don't have all the images that the customers wanted. So if customer requested, then we can using AI to just put a part on the truck, so it actually can visualize. So lately, we actually upgrade this tool to for our customer use. And then before we create this tool for internal employee to use. And right now we're using this as a lead generations. So customers can use it to just visualize before they purchase, visualize how the parts looks before they purchase just by uploading the truck and using the parts that we have on our websites. And in exchange, they will um, give us emails. So we can use that email or context, just follow up and provide human assisting support. So that's just still on top of AI that um, we can provide like human services. So you still like assisting um, our team members, but still human is the main efforts, the main workflows. And then that before it's a lot of reports you can see is if especially for AI age, it's really easy to gathering data. So like weekly report, competition report, daily brief, news digest. It's all about um, getting data and building that competitive edge um, when we trying to implement something. So if we have all this kind of data, no matter from competitors or from us, from our stores data, we can actually come up with very good projects to launch in the future just because of all this data we had. And rather than just guessing and assume something's going to work. Another tool that I think is very helpful lately is websites Watchdog, and it's very helpful for our backend team, especially they don't have to go to the pages to check if there's any grammar issues or something that's missing a collection, missing products. So all those things can actually um, detected by this automation call. This is actually AI agents name it. So this is Watchdogs. I think it's pretty cool to use it, and yeah, it still save us a lot of times and also make us more efficient and making better websites as well. And the code generator as well. In the past, we just send a very raw uh, a table of pricing or like discount code to the customer if customers requesting a code. But right now, we can create a very professional PDF codes just based on few data that we input to the Google Sheets, and it can generate just few within few seconds, and we can. So if we provide price discount codes and the customer's vehicle and models, it actually can give a lot of feed information and suggestions before they making a purchase decisions. That's definitely increase our authorities in this niche and also increase the trust between us and the customers. So yeah, it still has a lot of thing need to build and also need to experiment. But I would not still. I really believe that human it still plays very important role, especially between communications with customers and also the the copywriting still, we're going to we yeah, we're using a tool called um, something that can detect AI's copies. So all our copywriters they do using AI, but they don't they will rewriting everything. So make sure that it's actually zero or less than 5% of AI work. So that I believe that will be helpful for SEO ranking and also for easy for users or for customers to read as well.